Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to set up React Native project from scratch using Expo. So whether you're just starting or switching from React Web to mobile, then this video is definitely for you. Now, before we start, we need to install or set up some prerequisites, and one of them is known as the Node.js. And what you have to do, go to your web browser and type Node.js, and just open the website. So now, what is this Node.js? Node.js basically is a tool that lets JavaScript run from outside of a browser, and Expo and React Native use it under the hood to run scripts, manage packages, and launch your development server. So there are two ways to install this. The first option is through the CLI command, or else you can do that manually by downloading the installer. And here you have to choose the version. By default, it's showing me version 22, and which is the current one I am using on my machine. And the latest one is version 24. But I do recommend you go with either 23 or 24 because of some stability issues. And then you select your platform, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And if you want to install it through the CLI, then you have to run these uh, commands. But I usually prefer you to go with this one manually using Windows installer if you are on Windows, and you have to choose the architecture for your computer. And for my case, I'm using x86, so I'll just select it and then Windows installer and download the installer. After downloading the installer, you just have to follow the screen or the instructions that is on the screen to install it. As for my case, I have already done that. And after installation, what you have to do, you can check. Just go to your command prompt, cmd, and type node version, node-v. As you can see here, I have my Node.js version 22.14. One more thing we have is the Expo CLI or Create Expo app. And Expo CLI is basically the command line tool that helps you create, manage Expo projects. So it sets up everything like dependencies, folders, config files, so you can start coding your app immediately. And if I just take you to VS Code, let's just install the Expo CLI, and we need to do that globally. And to do it, you simply type this command npm install -g CLI, Expo CLI, and hit enter. This one will allow you to install the CLI globally, so you don't have to do that every time when you're working on a React Native project. It's not like the packages that you install inside the root directory. So it's like a kind of one-time installation. And by that, we have completed setting up the prerequisite required for our Expo project. And in the next video, we'll see how to create an Expo project.